Greetings, everyone. So, I'm here to give feedback and reflections on the UGC MMTTC sponsored FTP on designing and developing OER-enabled MOOCs using four-quadrant approach. So, this was jointly organized by IIT Kharagpur, and this course gave us an overview of design and development of module-enabled MOOCs by integrating OERs, which are open educational resources. So our course instructor was Dr. Indira, and she was a very experienced person. We were able to get a lot of inputs, not only regarding MOOCs and also various other things in which can be reflected in our career progression also. So a short introduction about myself. So I am Dr. Manobala. So I am currently an assistant professor at the School of Arts and Science, Sai University, Chennai. So previously, after I was a PhD student in Anna University, Chennai, for a joint project with Babatami Research Center, Kalpaka, where I was a CSIR research fellow working on biofilms and bioremediation. And after completing my PhD, I then moved on to HCL Technologies, where I worked on a medical project, IVD, which is in vitro diagnostic projects, where I worked on a lot of medical regulations and also designing medical instruments. And after that, I was associated with IIT Delhi as a postdoctoral fellow. Most of my work was on protein engineering, and I designed peptides against medical pathogens. So currently, I am associated with Sai University, where I both perform research and also academic work. So this MOOC program FTP came as an interest because this was my first academic job, and I would like to explore a lot of avenues in which I can contribute meaningfully. So FTPs were one of the places which I felt, yes, we can learn and become a good academician. And FTPs on MOOC content, which I'm very much interested, like online platforms, making contents is of very much interest to me. For example, I have a YouTube channel named Biotech Bites. So where you can see I make very short videos of different basic understanding of the biological stuff, day-to-day biological stuff. So this is of much interest to me because I like to take up my sciences to greater audience. So I'm not doing this in a very large scale, but I'm very much interested in scientific communication, mainly taking up larger concepts to broader range of audiences. So with that interest, I joined this FDP program, and as you can see, it was a very well structured program. So this is an interface that we have been working on. It was not just theory; we were just given the task to perform, and these were the portal of IIT Kharagpur, which we were given access. So this is the module that we have been gone through. So you can see day to day we had different tasks. So first we started with understanding the MOOC guidelines, how to plan a MOOC, and how we can manage a MOOC module course. And we were also encouraged to review our work on a daily basis. And also we learned how to embed. So on day 2, we started different presentations and finding how we can find the online resources that we can incorporate in our MOOC contents, and sharing how multimedia things has to be integrated. What are the permissions, licenses, CC factors that we have to keep in mind? And then we also were given hands-on trainings on how to make self-assessments, how to create questions, how we can easily populate our questions into the system, and give the students a better interface to perform their answers. And also we were taught how to make presentations. We made different presentations, and then And as I said before, daily we had the habit of reviewing our previous day's work, and then we also had experience on building question banks and interactive content and different modules. And also we were given track how we can track the progress of the students and all other different things we carried out. And finally, we were able to create one course of ourselves. So my interest was on biofilms, which is a topic that I work. So on biofilms, I had created different quizzes, contents, and different modules, different links to the videos, different links to the books that I prescribed for this course. So it was a very good exercise. So I have so we can see I have done it for my uh, biofilm course. And as instructed, we were performing all the tasks and the different contents and different modules were done, and all the progress were updated on daily basis. So, and I thank Dr. Indra for giving such an interesting FTP program, and I would like to thank the IIT Kharagpur organizers for giving me an opportunity to be in this platform. And I assure you that I will take up all these learnings of this MOOC and try to apply it in the university and also work for a greater public audience. Thank you.